Hello, my name is Buğra Çayır and welcome to Lab 101. In this video, I will talk about the working principle of a spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometry deals with the measurement of interaction of light with materials. Light can be reflected, transmitted, scattered, or absorbed, and a material can emit light, either because it has absorbed some light and re-emits it because it has gained energy in some other way, or because it emits light due to its temperature. On the other hand, spectrophotometer is an instrument used to measure the effect of a sample on a beam of light. The instrument does this by measuring the intensity of light of different wavelengths in visible spectrum. Before I talk about the working principle of the spectrophotometer, I want to give a quick and easy example to clarify its aim. Let's consider two liquids with different colors. With naked eye, we can see the color difference. However, for scientific purposes and to comment on the reasons for differences, we need to measure the absorbance values of these two liquids. The reason for the color differences in the samples is they reflect the blue light in different proportions. Basically, the role of a spectrophotometer is shining a light to the sample and measuring how much light goes through. For instance, the darker blue sample has more light-absorbing particles, thus less light goes through the sample, which the spectrophotometer reads out as absorbance. Now I will explain the theoretical part of the working principle of a spectrophotometer. There are different components in the spectrophotometer. The source of light is a lamp. The beam of light coming from the lamp strikes the diffraction grating, which acts like a mirror. Diffraction grating works like a prism since it divides the light into its component wavelengths. To make that only a specific wavelength of light reaches the exit slit, the grating is rotated. Next, the light interacts with the sample. The detector senses the light being transmitted through the sample and converts this information into a digital display. In the working principle of the spectrophotometer, transmittance refers to the amount of light that passes completely through the sample and strikes the detector. On the other hand, absorbance is a measurement of light that is absorbed by the sample. In our case, I want to specifically talk about the Go Direct Spectrovis Plus spectrophotometer. This technology is based on an LED and tungsten bulb to transmit intensive light with wavelengths ranging from 380 up to 900 nanometers. The light passes through a high-quality diffraction grating, and the diffracted light is sorted and collected by the linear CCD array detector. The light reflection grating contains a holographic grating and a detector (CCD). The light beam hitting the grating is reflected and dispersed into its wavelength components onto the CCD detector. Then, the data is displayed in the software within 1 to 5 seconds. And here is the specifications for Go Direct Spectrovis Plus spectrophotometer. But note that in every school, the brand and specifications of the spectrophotometer may vary. In Bilkent Erzurum Laboratory Schools, we are using Go Direct Spectrovis Plus spectrophotometer. And that's it. Thank you for watching.